And Debbie, I know you were on the call yesterday listening in. What surprised you the most out of this set of earnings?
I think what's a little bit surprising is how deep the TSMC's cut its outlook for this year. So originally it said that it expects to its revenue this year to decline by low to mid-single digit. But yesterday it cut the outlook for this year for its sales to drop by about 10% in U.S. dollar terms for this year. So that's kind of steep. And then we have seen that sort of disappointing guidance have affected the share price in the U.S. and in Taipei today.
Yeah, Debbie, talk to us about the delay in the Arizona chip story there and what's behind that too, because that's one part to this story as well.
Yes. So TSMC also said yesterday that it will delay the mass production of its first plant in Arizona to 2025. So originally it said that at the very beginning it said that it expects the mass production to start in 2024, and then in the last earnings call it said that it's going to start in late 2024, and then this time it said that this is going getting pushed back to 2025 after the U.S. presidential election, and that might be shock to President Joe Biden too, because he's been campaigning for a second term on the his achievement that his signature economic policies is helping boost the U.S. economic growth. So this delay in TSMC's plant may be a setback for President Joe Biden.
Yeah, Debbie, the other thing I wanted to ask you was, since you were in the call, going into this call and numbers, people were looking for any guidance on CapEx, and I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, I believe we didn't get any guidance on CapEx. Why not?
Oh, no, we did. I mean, so it is holding previous guidance that it will spend toward the lower range of 32 billion to 36. So its CapEx this year will be sort of like close to 32 billion U.S. dollars. And then, but I think more importantly, the management also guided that its capital intensity, so the pace of its investments over the next few years will start to decline. So that's an indication that when it comes to investing in cutting-edge technologies, TSMC may be slowing its pace.